All right, first industry tattoo, let's go! Woo! Don't have much room left on my full t-shirt, but this is gonna be my first industry tattoo. I've had so many different ideas over the years of what to get tattooed in related to, you know, the auto restyling industry. I thought,
what's that? Is that a new watch?
Oh yeah. Big shout out to Levi the jeweler, you guys. Found this guy through Ziv the watch guy on Instagram. He ended up sourcing me the Bluesy, and what was unique about it was that I specifically wanted a 2017. That's the year that we started the Tintstitute. So in my mind, the watch was made the first year the Tintstitute was made. Obviously, I was nowhere near being able to afford it back then, but I caught back up to it. Yeah, super stoked to get an industry tattoo and fill up one more spot on my t-shirt. But yeah, it wasn't an easy decision. But then when I came up with this idea last night of how to get this tattoo that I'm gonna be getting, I got even more excited. So yeah, one guy has done 98% of my shirt. I only have 2 tattoos from other artists. And funny thing is, I always tell people that once you know how to install window film, once you know how to install PPF or wrap, you can trade so many different things. I've traded my entire t-shirt. I would never pay for a tattoo other than that one that I got in high school, just because, you know, tattoos aren't that important to me. But because there was this tattoo artist next to the original shop, if you've watched our other YouTube videos where I take you back to the original shop in the auto center, there was a tattoo shop in there, and I became friends with him and I traded him stickers for one tattoo. And then over the years, it's honestly been the very best trade that I've ever had. It kind of goes with my whole philosophy on being disciplined, being consistent. It's a lot like investing, where you can't just go and get blasted and get a full t-shirt in, you know, a couple of weeks. Consistency is everything when it comes to investing, building a business, or getting straight blasted, or getting in shape. It's all about stacking little wins over a long period of time. So here we are. Wasn't gonna drive the Corvette in the rain, but it is covered in PPF, so I said, fuck it. I really like getting invisible tattoos so that I can choose when people see it. You know, they say, don't judge a book by its cover. And I always go, well, isn't that the point of a cover of a book? People that write books, like my wife and I, put a ton of thought into what the cover looks like. When it's sitting on the shelf at Barnes & Noble's, that's literally the point of a cover, is so that people will pass judgment and decide if they want the book or not. I want to be tatted up when I'm at a pool party. I want to be tatted up when I'm at the water park. I want to be tatted up when I'm on the lake on a boat. I don't really want to be tatted up at work. So, you know, not to say that's bad. I'm just saying the cover of my book, I didn't want that. There's times when I want to be tatted, and there's times when I don't want to be tatted. So I got my first tattoo. I thought I was like super cool. I thought I was a badass, right? So then I was thinking, ooh, where could I get another tattoo, but like not push it too far, not piss my mom off, and not let her know. So then I came up with the cool idea.
What?
I was getting my lips done. What could I get tattooed on my lips that's 2 words that kind of sounds cool? Ooh, forgive and forget. And lots of people, Google it. Lots of people have their bottom lip tattooed. Very few people have their top lip. And that said, forgive, it's worn away a little bit. So anyways, enough about my tattoos. Let's go in. I was just talking about on camera how stoked I was last night when I had like the epiphany of doing it. And then we can take and like drag the out into my other stuff to like connect it a little bit better. Going right here. What's it gonna be? Nice blank spot. How many blank spots do I have? So I got here, little here. I can do my armpit. And then he's gonna, later on, my back's not done, he's gonna pull this down to my pants. So for an example, this is one thing that we did for Jake right here, is we wrapped this wooden frame. You know, it's obviously a print that looks like caution tape. You know, we do projects like that. We've done a few other, you know, larger projects. These decals on the front, let's go out there. I need to pay for the meter anyways. But we've done these graphics on the outside here for him, for instance. You know, nothing crazy. Oh, we also did this around the corner. We wrapped these letters for him to kind of go with those logos on the glass. Let me pay for the meter real quick. All right. You feel good when you do shit you don't want to do. So it's like an oxymoron. Doing what you want to do doesn't make you feel good. What makes you feel good is doing the shit you don't want to do. And that includes getting tattooed right now. Like, I fucking don't want to do this, bro. Every time I think, why the fuck do I do this? But then I hate going to the water park, having empty spots and looking like a little bitch.
Once we get it cut and everything, but yeah, I think size-wise it'll tuck right in there.
I'm doing my wiggle waggle, but it's not because of the pain yet. It's because I gotta go to the bathroom. Are we good? All right, let's check it out. Film Pro Nation's right there, boy. Bam. You know, the Tintstitute's not possible without our sponsors. So big shout out to Film Pro Nations. Thank you very much. We got something in the works. Stay tuned. Film Pro Nation.
Film Pro.